Yesterday, you have studied the biotic components of the environment, and today, in the abiotic component, you will study the interaction between plants and animal. Interaction means how they are connected to each other. In nature, and plants and animals are or the biotic component or whatever the are biotic component like microorganisms, living beings interact with each other to fulfill their requirement requirements. Fulfill means to complete their need. Requirement means need to fulfill or complete their needs, like carbon dioxide released by animals is used by plants for the synthesis of process in the process of photosynthesis. But in return, plants release oxygen during the process of photosynthesis, on which is the main life supporting gas in the air. That is the percentage 20% oxygen in the atmosphere found. Animal breathe in oxygen which helps to burn in body cells the food and gives or release energy to do work entire day. Okay, this is the figure you can understand. In addition, there are several examples which show the interaction between plants and animals. Ki not only the gases, there are other methods by which the plants and animals are interconnected. Like plants need animals for the dispersal of seeds, means for their reproduction and their pollination. Animals excreta, excreta means the animal waste like urine, like cow dung, enrich the soil, that is work like a fertilizer to give the nutrients to the soil, that is used by the fertilizer in the form of fertilizer by the plants. So indirectly plants are connected to the, yeah, depend on the animals for their food. Hence, we can say that all living things interact with each other, obtain essential thing, material means important or the requirement things for their survival. Like animal depend on plants. Firstly, we use shall study here. Animals depend on the plant not only for food but for survival of other needs. Like plants supply oxygen and oxygen is used by the plants. Shady trees give us shelter. Shelter means the place where we can sit. You look at here, there some animals are in standing downside of the shade of the shady trees. So it saves from the sun and rain. So animal are depend on the plants. Animal, insect and birds depend on plant for their shelter and safety. All kinds of birds sit on the branches of the plants. Plants such as tulsi, neem, foxglove, rosy, periwinkle give us medicine. And neem is the most important plants in the Ayurveda. Many plants and trees give us spices like cardamom, clove, wood like eucalyptus, mahogany, sesame, timber like sagon, and the gums. So altogether, plants are very useful for the animals as well as the living beings. So plants maintain carbon dioxide and oxygen balance. That's why we breathe in the atmosphere nicely. Now plants depend on animals. It is just opposite. In the previous heading, you have studied animal depend on the plant, and now plant depend on animal. Some animals like butterfly and honeybee, hummingbird help to pollinate pollinate flowers. Without pollination, flowering plants cannot form seeds. Means seed will not become and they will not able to reproduce. So the process of pollination mainly done by the butterfly, honeybee, and the hummingbird. Hummingbird is a very little bird. Like the weight of hummingbird is a 5 gram only, and it is only the bird which can fly forward as well as the backward. So hence they cannot reproduce if animals will not pollinate. Animal also help in dispersal of seeds. The plants grow here and there wherever they want. How we can see that some plants grow side of the road, some plants grow the near the cities, and then how they will reach there? So they will reach with the help of animals body. So animals are help in the dispersal of field seeds, means वो बीजों को फैलाते हैं. Several seeds of fruits have hairs or spines, means कांटे जैसी होते हैं. So they stick to the animal skin while they touch the flowers plant. Animal excreta means, as I told you before, like their urine, their waste material, and their dead bodies when the animal die add nutrient to the soil, means they will become the fertilizers. They act as manure, खाद की तरह वर्क करते हैं, and provide minerals for the plant growth. That is very important, like nitrogen, phosphorus. That is very important for the plants. Okay.